Hi, I'm Kylie, and this is my mom, Nicole.
Hello.
I am a graduate of court reporting and captioning at home. I am currently working as a certified shorthand reporter in the state of Illinois, and I also hold my RPR with the NCRA.
Yes, and I am currently a student of court reporting at home. And I was a court reporter, and I had been out of the field for 20 years, and I decided to become a student of court reporting at home in order to regain my speed and to become real-time compatible.
So the first thing that drew me into court reporting at home was that I was able to do the program from home. I was looking at driving 3 hours round trip to the closest school, and that was a huge draw to me to cut out all of that time. I was able to work a job and do school at the same time.
Yes. And for me, at my own pace, I found that if I would have had to drive somewhere to go to school, I probably would not have been able to go back to school. With court reporting at home, I was able to go at my own pace. I didn't have to change my lifestyle. I still have 2 children living at home that I needed to raise, and it was very helpful to have that flexibility.
Yeah. Also, it's very affordable. You're not wondering, oh, if I don't pass the speed test, I'm going to have to go another semester and spend this many $1,000s.
Yeah.
It's just one payment up front, you know what you're spending, and you come out of school debt free, which is almost unheard of these days.
Yes.
So another huge thing was the theory. It was very easy to understand, and it just made sense, which helped us both get through really quickly.
Yes, I had an old theory, obviously, and I found that when I had a theory concept from court reporting at home that was different from my original theory I learned 20 years ago, it was easy to change. And when there was something that I really liked the way I wrote it before, I would just contact support, and they would say, you can definitely continue writing that word that way. If it was a conflict, then they would tell me that, and I would just know to write that word down and practice that concept and get it down pat. And I didn't find it difficult to do that at all.
No, yeah, support definitely is a huge thing with court reporting and captioning at home. They have a great support program. I used it all throughout the schooling process, and even afterwards. Once I graduated, they provided me with the study materials I needed in order to get my national certification and my state certification. So they really went above and beyond, which I felt most schools would probably, okay, you're done, go off and do what you need to do. But court reporting and captioning at home did not do that. They also, once I was certified, helped me find a job. They contacted local firms in the area to let them know that I was ready and available to work, and they did the research to make sure I got in with a good firm. They also contacted me to check to see how I'm doing, how I'm liking the job. They take care of their students, is what I would say.
I agree. And I'm currently working as a CART provider now. And when I called them and told them I was going to start CART, they told me that they had a dictionary for me that I could use, a CART dictionary. And I had them send it to me, and I started using it right away. And it literally has saved me a lot of time editing. The dictionary is very good, as well as the dictionary that they provided me from the beginning. I didn't have to input every word. It came with the theory concepts already in it.
Yeah, I had the same experience. It saved hours of manually putting in entries. It was just all already there and ready to translate when I started working.
Yeah, I had a lot of people tell me that if I wanted to get back into court reporting, that I could just practice with the TV and just work on my speed. But I would highly recommend using court reporting at home. Their materials are wonderful. The support is excellent. And I know I couldn't have gotten back into the field without their help.
Agreed. I felt court reporting at home was exactly what I needed to get me into the court reporting field.